Welcome to another Listening Comprehension. As we've stated before, listening comprehension is going to be just that, listening. For this assignment, you will not see the text, you will only be able to listen to it. You may come back and listen to it multiple times to find all your answers. At the end of me reading the article, I will put the questions on the screen. There will also be a copy of the questions in the description below and a copy of some alternative questions if you want to try something different. Let's get started. The mysterious Boto. A pink dolphin may sound imaginary, but it is real. It is called a Boto, or Amazon river dolphin, a puzzling creature. The Boto is a secretive river dweller. Many grow as long as a canoe and can weigh 400 pounds. You would think such a large animal would be easy to find. Yet scientists argue exactly about how many Botos there are. After heavy rains, the river waters are often filled with red mud. The color of this mud is similar to the color of the Botos. This helps the Botos hide out of sight. Another difficulty in studying the Boto is its coloring. The Boto can be dark on top and light underneath. When looking from above, the dark color blends in with the waters below. When looking at the animal from below, the light color blends in with the sky above. This helps the dolphin hide. Even though it can be difficult to study Botos, research continues. Scientists don't want these fascinating creatures to be overlooked. Article 2. The Amazon river dolphin. There are many species of dolphin all over the world. Most of them live in oceans. There are 3 types that are found only in freshwater, like rivers. One of these freshwater dolphins is the Amazon river dolphin. Of all the river dolphins, the Amazon river dolphin is the most studied. Why are scientists so interested in this creature? There are several traits that set it apart from other dolphins. Some Amazon river dolphins are whitish gray to pink on the top. They are paler on their underside, but others are a beautiful pink color. Unlike other dolphins, an Amazon river dolphin is able to move its head from side to side. Thank you for coming to the end. Again, you may go back and listen to the article again to answer any of the questions.